Hey everyone! Are you ready to finally quit your 9 to 5 job and take control of your financial future? Imagine working just 2 hours a day from anywhere in the world and still achieving financial freedom. Today, I'm introducing the Legacy Builder program, the program that could change your life forever. Most of us know how frustrating it is to work a desk job, where someone else decides the value of our time and effort. What if there was a way to create a reliable, stress-free income without being tied to a full-time job? With the Legacy Builder program and the support of the digital growth community, you can do just that.
By building your own online business, you not only take control of your income, but also your time. Imagine making $900 in passive income daily, working only a couple of hours each day. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Our proven strategies have already turned many into six-figure earners. Our community is filled with people just like you, who were tired of the daily grind and wanted a way to earn on their own terms. With no need for tech skills or a large following, anyone can get started. Imagine getting those new sale notifications on your phone while you're out doing what you love.
So, what will your life look like when you're free from the 9 to 5? Will you travel more, spend more time with family, or pursue passions that you've put off for years? With the Legacy Builder program, you don't have to just imagine it, you can make it a reality. If you're ready to take that step towards freedom and success, click the link in the description or visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com to learn more about the Legacy Builder program. Embrace the 2-hour workday, automate your business, and start living the life you deserve. Text on screen. Work less, earn more freedom to work from anywhere. Build a lasting legacy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more ways to achieve financial freedom. Your journey to building a legacy starts now.